Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma ula pentip baka sorkar Jylla kan penlong bet man usnam ya kayau di Sohtrun na Meghalaya Delhi kumshi benta ban kentiu ya ki Nongrep Sohtrun hapo ke Jylla. Conrad sangma ulawan ban penhap perda ya kayau di Sohtrun hadeli hat Delhi kebalakut man hakasngi uble ka khat saw tarik naitung arja arpusaw kebala sedang naduk ka shipau tarik naitung arja arpusaw. Hakani ke cing penhap perda Conrad sangma ulalet jurep ya ki jaka di Sohtrun batlet sengapru ya ki Nongrwai balarwai daki samla na Meghalaya. Hadian balalet jurip Conrad sangma ula syong ban sengap yaki jingrwai naki samla na Meghalaya ban pensengu tanat yaki bawan bam Sohtrun. Layu i baki khasi ke basak keleng ki jaka bat ki Jylla bermarkhab bat ke Delhi ki lawan ban mat u Sohtrun haba ajingkran hakani ke jingalang Conrad sangma ula penpau ke jingsngokmen haba ka sorkar kala beteng biang ban wan di Sohtrun hanong ba Delhi kabala sedang mensyam senam namar kani kalong kalat ban yarap yaki sanpau Hajar Ngut ki barap Sohtrun hapo ke Jylla ki baju penmi lai pesan metrik ton hakashi senam. Ula pentip bro baka sorkar kala kershan ki Nongrwai try Jylla hadu lai Hajar Ngut lingba ke Meghalaya grassroots music program bandrwai haki restaurant cafe ki jaka jengok kai perthai. Shu ula ong baki samla ki badangki ki don kam ke jing kershan bat ka sorkar kala kershan ban ai jing kermen yaki.
Mentau chief minister jungi Conrad sangma ulwan phai lampoi hane hadili hat rakbor driu chiteng baringi baladon rang lapdeng borong daga disat rai dan drum daro wang jala baringi menta Conrad sangma nang tabon ban pej ban jurip ya kinegi ya kiyau di Sohtrun menta
grassroots music program. I don't know if some of you know this or not, but I also was a struggling musician at a young age. So I tell the people that we used to play the music before, but now we face the music more. So that's how life is. But that experience as a young musician made me believe that the youth need to be supported to follow their passion and what they believe in. And many a times we fail to do that as a society and as a government. The MGMP, the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, supports 3,000 artists. These artists perform in different cafes, different restaurants, different tourist spots, and the government pays them every time they perform. And what happens with that is that obviously it is a source of income and livelihood for them. The tourists enjoy the music and the youngsters are able to follow their passion. So it's a three-way win for everyone. And what you'll see today is some of the members, as I said, we have 3,000 such artists. Some of them, as I said, never got the opportunity to ever perform in platforms like these. So I'm very excited for them. And I know that they will make us proud, and there's some lovely music. So do support them. Your support is very important to encourage our youngsters. Our youngsters need encouragement, need the support when they follow their passion, because that's how we make sure that they do the right thing in life and not follow into the wrong things in life. So we need to give them the platform. I'm happy that they are here, and I wish them all the best. I don't think we need a speech as such, but I'm very happy that the second edition of the Meghalaya Pineapple Festival is happening this year. As you're all aware, we started this particular festival last year, and we have learned a lot, we have improved, and today this edition is far better than what we had last time. And we can see that a lot of good response is there from the public, and I'm very, very happy for the farmers and for the entrepreneurs of the state of Meghalaya. Response from the public, and I do hope that in the coming days, in the coming years, this festival will keep growing, we will expand, we will make it even better. The pineapple that we produce is one of the best pineapples in the country, and the people of the national capital as well as the entire country deserve to have a taste of it. And just to share with all of you, it's not only this pineapple festival here, but Meghalaya government is working very, very aggressively to ensure that the market is also opened up to the international level. And today the pineapple for Meghalaya is even going in many, many international markets also. But it's a process, it takes time. Step by step, we'll be able to improve the logistics and other avenues, and we are hopeful that this will ultimately benefit the farmers and the entrepreneurs of our state and of our country. So please enjoy the evening. I don't want to give too much of a lecture.
So we are very happy that we are having the second edition of the Meghalaya Pineapple Festival. As you're aware, we started this festival last year, and the objective really was to uh, allow the products that our farmers, almost 50,000 farmers are involved in pineapple plantation and farming, and almost 35,000 metric tons of pineapple is produced in Meghalaya every year. And the objective is to really expose and give a market to our farmers. We realize that almost 50% of it gets spoiled because we are not able to market on time. So we are hopeful that festivals like these will bring out more opportunities for our farmers and be able to get a better market, a better price for the products that they're making. This is also an opportunity for us to start somewhere, because it's not just pineapple. We are also exposing and giving a taste of our culture to the people, of our different customs. We are also giving a taste to our entrepreneurs and exposure to them, allowing them to connect to other entrepreneurs and other markets. So there is a larger picture and larger goal behind this festival, but a festival is a very positive way to send that message, and that's why we are very happy with the response. Last year we got good response. This year the response has been even better, and it's a process. And we do expect that this pineapple festival will become an annual calendar event where people will be looking forward to this particular festival every year. And we're hopeful that with this, many of our farmers will be able to get the kind of benefit that they deserve. Done for our farmers, this is being done for our entrepreneurs. We are happy that they have participated, and we are thankful to the organizers and everybody who has helped us in making this program a success. And obviously we thank all the public that has been so positive and so enthusiastic to come forward and be part of this particular pineapple festival. So I wish again the festival the very best, and today in fact we're in the closing. Our response has been great, and we look forward to next year's festival. Thank you very much.